Hi friends, today I have brought again a new video on finding torque and angle of twist of shaft. So we have a question over here. So let's read once again a question what we have asked in this question. So let's read. The allowable shear stress in brass is 88 Newton per millimeter square and steel is 110 Newton per millimeter square. Find the maximum torque T that can be applied at the free end C in the stepped shaft of solid circular section as shown. Find also the total rotation of free end of the shaft with respect to the fixed end if G brass equals to 400 kilonewton per millimeter square and G steel equals to 80 kilonewton per millimeter square. So we have a given figure also. This is the stepped shaft of solid circular section where the shaft of brass is of diameter 80 millimeter and the steel shaft of 60 millimeter diameter, and the length of the brass shaft from the fixed end is 1 meter and the steel shaft from the brass shaft is 1.2 meter. So let's begin on solving this question. In this question all the dimensions is in millimeter, so no need to convert it into SI system. So let's begin. For brass shaft, diameter of brass shaft is 80 mm, length of shaft LB equals to 1 meter, it means 1000 millimeter, and G brass equals to 400 kilonewton per millimeter square equals to 400 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per millimeter square. Allowable shear stress tau s of brass. So we have given here the allowable shear stress in a brass is equals to 88 Newton per millimeter square. Now for calculation of torsion applied, we know torsional equation T by J equals to tau S by R equals to G theta by L. So from this equation we needed this ratio and this ratio because we have to find the torsion applied. So T is here, J tau s is here and r is radius. And what is the formula for j? J equals to pi d b power 4 by 32 for circular section. So using first two ratios, t by j equals to tau s by r, or t equals to tau s j by r equals to tau s. What is the value of tau s? We have 88 into j, means pi into db power 4 by 32, and r means d by 2, means db by 2 equals to 88 into pi into db and db cube by 16. Eighty-eight into pi into, what is the value of db? 80 millimeter. So I am direct putting the value of db in the calculator. 80 power 3 divided by 16. So we have got the value 8846724.91 Newton millimeter. Again, for steel shaft, diameter ds equals to 60 mm, length of steel shaft ls equals to 1.2 meter equals to 1.2 into 1200 millimeter. G steel equals to 80 kilonewton per millimeter square. Allowable shear stress tau s steel equals to 110 Newton per millimeter square. Now using the same equation, now T by J equals to tau S by R, or T equals to tau S into J by R equals to, what is the value of tau S steel, radius of steel, J of steel, so tau S 110 into pi into 60 power 4 by 32 multiple 60 divided 2 equals to 110 into pi into 6 power 3 divided by 16. 110 multiple pi into 60 cube divided 16 equals to 4665265.09 Newton millimeter. Note one thing, the maximum torque will be minimum of TB and TS. Therefore, T max equals to TS equals to 4665265.09 Newton millimeter equals to 4665265.09 divided by 1000. 4665.26 kilonewton millimeter equals to answer divided by 1000, 4.665 kilonewton meter. Now for the calculation of angle of twist, for brass shaft, T by J equals to G theta by L. This equation also comes from torsional equation, or this theta B equals to T max into L divided by G into J equals to, what is the value of tau max? Sorry, T max 46652 65.09 into, we have got L equals to 1000 divided by value of G brass, GB G brass. Here we have got the value of G brass equals to 400 into 10 to the power 3, and value of J is pi into, what is the value of D brass? 80 power 4 divided 32 equals to 4665265.09 into 32 multiple 1000 divided by 400 into 10 to the power 3 into pi into 80 power 4 equals to 4665265.09 into 32 into 1000 divided by 400 into 10 to the power 3 into pi into 80 power 4. 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 radian. For steel shaft, we have theta s equals to T max into L by Js multiple Gs equals to value of T max is 4665265.09 in multiple 1200 mm into 32 divided by multiple. What is the diameter of steel? 60 to the power 4 multiple value of Gs is 80 to the multiple 10 to the power 3. Four six six 5265.09 into 1200 multiple 32 divided by multiple 60 power 4 multiple 80 multiple 10 to the power 3. Answer is 0.05499 radian. Therefore, total angle of twist theta equals to theta b plus theta s. Now I want to explain you that how this becomes positive. So let's draw free body diagram of this figure. Sorry, don't draw this, only draw this. Here the moment is in clockwise direction, so to counterbalance this we have to provide the moment in anti-clockwise direction, and to move this we have to provide the moment in clockwise direction, and to counterbalance this anti-clockwise direction moment is given in anti-clockwise direction. So let's see in this equation theta s becomes positive because the moment is applied in clockwise direction. Also in this brass shaft the moment is applied in clockwise direction, so both becomes positive. So equals to 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 plus 0.05499 equals 0.05 0.79 radian. If you are suppose you have to you have asked to give the answer of angle of twist in degree, then you have to convert this radian into degree. So how to convert 0.0579 radian into 180 degree by pi? So this becomes answer in degree. 0.0579 multiple 180 divided pi, so 3.317 degree. Therefore total angle of twist equals 3.317 degree. Answer. So screenshot this if you want this solution. So this much for today. If you like this video, then share, comment and subscribe. And if you have got any confusions, problems regarding this question, then you can comment the problem. I will help you to solve your problem. Thank you.